Stuck with the Sfc, System File Checker, DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we walk through the Sfc, System File Checker, troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Sfc, System File Checker, the System File Checker library. It manages the unmanaged routines for scanning and repairing core OS files, acting as the foundational system integrity manifest. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. If Sfc, System File Checker, DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Sfc, System File Checker, message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that Sfc can't fix on its own. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Sfc, System File Checker, DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Sfc, System File Checker. If this fix repaired Sfc, System File Checker, dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.